I get this question a lot, sadly, which is how do you move on after ghosting? And folks have been wanting me to record something on that. So it's very straightforward here for me, which is you got to get very good at being with your pain, right? So they disappear, right? They don't text you, they're just gone. So if you can be with your experience, be with your pain, your upset, your freak out, your fears, your rage, your hurt, whatever's in there, that's going to go a long way to you developing your relational chops for the next relationship. Vital for you to be with yourself. Next, you got to see them ghosting. Just cognitively try this on. Them ghosting is an opportunity for me to heal something from my past that this is triggering. So most people that get ghosted on, there's some historical thing. Another ghosted relationship, a parent who wasn't there for them, a father who disappeared when you were 2 years old, a mother who worked all the time or disappeared, left your dad. There's a number of things that come up for us if we're willing to reflect on our history and go, has this ever happened to me before? Anything similar? Oh yeah, when I was 5, my best friend disappeared and it was the closest person in my life. And no one ever explained to me why. So these are just a few things you can do to start to get empowered around someone ghosting you. And then finally, you don't want to be in a relationship with people who don't show you the respect of good communication. I don't recommend that. So it's like, right, even though I want desperately to hear from them or to reach out to them, they try to start saying they don't deserve my time. I want something better. I want a mutual relationship where communication is reciprocated and they show me the respect of getting back to me. Hope this helps.